Hey, how's it going? It's Keith Townsend from the CTOadvisor.com with this CTO dose. Might be a little bit longer CTO dose this go around because this is the year-end CTO dose. We're going to talk about 2017, the year of. Yadin Porter de León of Level Up talked or asked the question on his weekly LinkedIn blog post of 2018, it was the year, or 2017 was the year of X. Was it the year of blockchain? Was it the year of technology X? Take your pick. I think 2017 was the year that public cloud became real. So I jokingly say that public cloud has been around a long time. There's been an awful lot of web scale companies that have built businesses off of the public cloud. So it's kind of silly to say that 2017 proved the year of public cloud. However, this is the year that the technology, I think, is birthed from an enterprise perspective, that the enterprise can no longer ignore the public cloud. I don't think I've talked to an enterprise that hasn't in some level embraced the idea that they need a public cloud strategy that integrates, at the minimum integrates with their private data center technologies. So I think it can also be said that 2017 was the year of the death of private cloud. And I think that might be the most controversial part of what I'm saying. Let's define private cloud. First off, if you have a VMware, Hyper-V, KVM, even container-based environment, and you're providing raw to your customers, raw container resources or virtual machines or physical hardware, basically infrastructure as a service or infrastructure, that's not private cloud that I'm talking about. That is just traditional IT being delivered, and even if it's automated, it's being delivered in an automated fashion. What I'm saying private cloud is this concept that as an organization, your private IT organization can provide what AWS, Azure, and Google Compute, even if it's just a subset, you can provide that to your internal customers. Your internal customers will consume that and not look towards public cloud for speed and agility. There's going to be the obvious outliers. There's going to be examples of Walmart, Comcast, some large banks that have true private cloud. Wikibon gave a definition of true private cloud, but I think this is the year that if you haven't already gone down that journey, if you're not in the same breath of a Comcast, of a Walmart, of a GE, and you've spent time and money developing a private cloud, then this is the year that you probably say, you know what, you're not going to build it. You may build automation. You may build integration between your private data center and public cloud, which I call hybrid IT. You may have very well done that, but the idea that you're going to compete with public cloud providers by building that capability inside your data center, I don't buy it anymore. I used to be a proponent of the idea that you could take OpenStack, Eucalyptus, or any other CMP, cloud management platform, put it in your data center and provide the level of service that an Amazon or a Google Compute or Azure could do for your internal developers and application teams. I'm no longer of that mindset. You may very well go out to HPE, Dell EMC, Fujitsu, and purchase a Azure Stack platform that extends public cloud into your data center, but that's not private cloud. That is public cloud in your data center. You may be the only tenant on that, but you're consuming Azure's cloud control plane. Microsoft isn't managing the cloud. It is Azure inside of your data center. We may see more of that, but the concept of IT building a private cloud with the same types of capabilities, not going to happen. So 2017, the year of the death of private cloud. I'm sure there's many of you that don't agree with me. Say so. Either make a response to this video or visit me on Twitter at CTO Advisor on Twitter, LinkedIn, or the website, thectoadvisor.com, and voice your opinion. Let's have the discussion. If you've built a private cloud and you want to show me, Keith, see, I've built this private cloud nirvana, and you're truly mistaken, hey, you know what? We'll have you on the podcast, or I'll privately eat crow if it's a competitive advantage and you can't share it with the public. I'm more than happy to get exceptions and be convinced otherwise. But until then, 2017, death of private cloud. We'll talk to you in the new year. Thanks for all of the consumption of the CTO Advisor content. Talk to you next CTO dose in the new year. Happy New Year.